welcome back to the channel, guys. So this was the most popular request I got in my Instagram DMs. You guys want to know how I mounted this radar detector. I know it's been a while since I said I was going to post this video, but I just did not want to take my car apart. But we got the perfect opportunity because my boy, who's got a G80, just bought the Uniden R8, and we're going to install it in his car for him. But just so you guys remember, this is what my setup looks like right now. We got it on the driver's side, very high up, so it doesn't get in the way of anything. Pretty much looks OEM plus to me. So we're gonna do that for him. He's got a beautiful Marina Bay blue M3. His is a manual. He's got the Silverstone buckets. Sheesh. This car is beautiful. We both, by the way, just bought the Öhlins coilover, so we're about to get that installed, but that's for another video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I have the drive recorder. It's like this little part right there. He doesn't have it. I don't really anticipate any problems taking this apart. If we look here, we're gonna have to take that easy pass off, but he just does not have it extended. I think he just separated the same way. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, and then show you guys the finished product. I think you wanna. Okay, so I don't know if the GoPro is capturing this, but this is what the piece looks like. I need to separate these two areas. I know everybody just puts, you know, you have your plastic pry tools you put in there, but I don't want to break any clips. I'm always on the cautious side of things, so Alright guys, let's see this thing. There we go, almost. Look at that. Alright guys, so I know a lot of people break clips. You don't want to break any clips. So if you look, I hope my GoPro gets it, but this is where the tab is. It took me some time to not make sure I didn't hit any clips. You want to get that gap right there, so that way you do not break any tabs. So I'm going to put this in right here and kind of just start to pull a little bit right there. There we go. Now the top's gonna come off. Look at that. One side. Go right here. There we go. Look at that. Everything is intact. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 tabs. And on this side, you're gonna have like 3 pins. So basically it comes in like that. And there we go. After I take this off, you'll see a black plug right here, and there is actually behind this one, that pink one. You do not want to plug it into the pink one. Your radar is not going to shut off after you lock the car if you do that. You want to use this black one. A lot of people try to pull this out, but it's super tight. I know how to do it without even pulling the plug. So pretty much we have a bunch of wires. We got these from Amazon. I'll show you guys the link. 3 different sizes. I am going to try to use the middle one or the smallest one. But what's gonna happen is I'm pretty much gonna put the red one where the red and blue is, and then the black one goes to the brown. Yeah, let's see how it goes. This one into this red slot. Simple. And I'm going to take the black one, plug it in where the brown is. Okay, if you guys see how I put the red one there and the black one here. I'm gonna push it down to secure them, and then I'm gonna test the radar. But here you go. See? We plug this in. We're good, guys. It's plugged in. We're gonna mount it right here. That's so clean. All right, so I'm gonna get I have a suction cup from eBay that we're gonna use. I think it's the cleanest way to put it. We're gonna mount it right here, and then it should be pretty clean. There are 3 mounting slots. So we're gonna put this here. 1. So this is the eBay piece. You want to just slide this in. It's gonna lock. I'm gonna mount it right here. So guys, you don't want to lock this in just yet. We want to make sure we got everything. Put the right side on first, because that, actually you could do the left. No, the right. Hide the wire as much as you can. I've tucked the wire up on the top, and you want to put the bottom piece right where that is. We're going to try to Alright, I think we should be good. Let me see, this thing looks so clean right now, dude. Look at that, guys. So it's mounted very high up. I have the wires coming from back here. You will not see it. Clean. Now we just gotta, I'll do this easy pass at home. I'm gonna update the software, and then yeah, I think we should be good to go. Alright guys, so we just finished the installation. Here's what mine looks like. Got that Silverstone. There you go. Same exact installation. You guys don't have to remove any connectors or anything like that. Just make sure you follow the right directions and put the red one where the red and blue is, and then put the black one where the brown is, and yeah, that's it. So hope that helped. I'm gonna try to put the pieces of this video together. I know it's probably all over the place, but like I said earlier, We both got oil and coilovers. That's probably going on next week. So he's already dropped on springs. But we got me setting monster truck status right here. Last time you guys will see me at this height. So stay tuned. I will see you guys on the next one, and keep sending me those messages on Instagram. If there's something else you guys want me to do, I'm more than happy to, as long as I'm capable and can do it properly. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Till then.